Hello, my name is Gurpreet Singh. My student ID is u1174768. And in this video, I will explain how I completed assessment 2 for the Domino Smart Food Delivery System scenario. I will describe the approach, my individual contributions, justify my answers, critically evaluate them, and reference the sources used. Although this was designed as a group task, I have completed this individually with professor's permission because there were not so many students are there in the course. So the first step was to analyze the scenario. Domino's smart food system using AI-based ordering, IoT kitchen devices, and delivery drones. I applied the NIST Cybersecurity Framework, CSF, and ISO IEC 27001 to structure the risk management and information assurance approach. The process included identifying roles and responsibilities in Domino's information security, implementing NIST control baselines and KPIs, identifying cybersecurity threats such as ransomware, IoT device explosion, data breaches, and supply chain attacks. Performing a risk metric assessment, calculating risk critically, and providing mitigation recommendations. I personally handled the following sections. Question 1, roles and responsibilities. Question 2, NIST framework application and KPIs. Question 3, major cybersecurity threats. And question 4, risk management, critically assessment and mitigation recommendations. For each part, I researched the real-world examples of domino operations, IoT devices, AI ordering systems, and industry risk practices. I also created visuals like the risk metrics and KPI charts to make the assessment clear and measurable. So the answers for question 1 is like roles like CISO, auditors, and enterprise architects were chosen to balance strategic, operational, and technical security responsibilities. Then for question 2 is NIST CSF control baselines, access control, configuration management, incident response, data protection, audit, and logging were applied to ensure a robust cybersecurity foundation. KPI as measured effectiveness, like MTTR improved from 6 hours to 1.2 hours. Then third is threats were chosen based on their relevance to Domino's smart system. Ransomware could log down cloud ordering systems. IoT explosion could interfere with drones and ovens. Data breaches could expose customer payment data. Supply chain attacks could impact third-party cloud or payment providers. Then fourth, the risk matrix prioritized risks using likelihood, impact scoring. High risks like ransomware, data breaches, and social engineering were assigned top priority. Recommendations included MFA, encryption, device authentication, firmware updates, phishing awareness, and vendor security checks. I critically reviewed each answer for consistency with the scenario, logical soundness of recommendations, context specific relevance to terminal operations. Challenges included translating technical cybersecurity risks into practical mitigation steps that a restaurant branch could implement. Overall, I ensured that the recommendations are measurable by KPIs and align with NIST and ISO frameworks. In conclusion, the structured approach allowed me to identify and mitigate risks in Domino's smart food delivery system effectively. The use of NIST and ISO frameworks, along with KPIs and contextual examples, ensures operational resilience, protects customer data, and builds stakeholder trust. Thank you for watching.